If you're launching a product and want to build a waitlist fast, this is the most effective way to do it using email tools, and I'm showing you the entire process in just a few minutes. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial link to the software I recommend after testing all the major ones out there. That link's only available to viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along or set this up after watching, it's in the description. Let's jump straight in. First, you need a landing page where people can sign up to join your product waitlist. Most good email tools offer built-in landing page builders, and the software we'll be using today does that really well. No code, no design skills needed. Just pick a template, change the text to talk about your product, and make sure there's a clear headline, one benefit, and a simple email opt-in form. Next, create an automation. This is what triggers when someone joins your waitlist. In the software, go to Automations, click New Workflow, and set the trigger as Form Submission for your waitlist form. Once they sign up, you want to immediately send them a confirmation email that says something like, "Thanks for joining the waitlist, here's what to expect." This helps build trust and keeps them warm. Now, to keep your waitlist engaged, you'll want to send 2-3 emails spaced out over the coming days or weeks. Inside the same tool, set up a sequence or schedule broadcasts. These can be teasers about the product, behind-the-scenes looks, or answers to FAQs. Your goal is to keep people excited without overwhelming them, and because you're using an email tool, you'll be able to monitor open rates and clicks, and tweak your messaging if needed. You also want to make sure you're collecting the right data. Inside your form settings, ask for first name and email at minimum. That way, your emails feel more personal and you can even segment later if needed. Now here's something most people skip. Connect your waitlist form to a tag or segment called Waitlist. That way, you can easily filter, track, and send targeted emails only to people waiting for the launch. In the software we're using, tags and segments are super simple to set up during the form setup process. Once your product's ready to launch, you can use the same email tool to send a launch email to that segment. Include a countdown timer, a clear CTA, and if you're offering early access or a bonus, mention it right at the top. Here's the key takeaway. Building a product waitlist with email tools isn't just about collecting emails. It's about creating a mini experience that builds anticipation and gets people ready to buy. The email tool we're using makes the whole process seamless, from landing page to automation to launch. Quick recap. Create a clear, simple landing page. Set up an automation for instant confirmation and follow-up emails. Tag your subscribers for easy tracking. Keep your audience engaged, then hit them with a strong launch email when you're ready. If you want to follow along and set this up today, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only for viewers of this channel and gives you everything you need to build your product waitlist the right way. That's it. Super simple, super actionable. Let me know in the comments if you're building a waitlist right now, and I'll see you in the next one.